Hi, Sarah. So I tried to run it through turnitin.com, and it got me to thinking there's got to be some way that they can do this through Google, right? So I actually went to, I Googled plagiarism check for Google Docs. And what I found is that under add-ons, you can actually add on plagiarism searches. And there's a few. The search that I did looked at copy leaks, so I added that. It's a free Google extension app, so it doesn't cost you anything. I did have to sign up and create an account once I went through this process, and it wants you to verify through your app's account, which was just through Gmail, but it's just because it's an extension program that it wants you to create a password just so that you can launch that extension app. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, totally understand. So when you click something, you just click free and then it'll take you through the steps. Eventually, after I got it all set up, I can now find it in add-ons. So whenever I want to check a document, I can just launch it. I also use EasyBib and a few other of the extension apps, but check plagiarism, and here's what it came up with. Not anything too outstanding, so it seems weird, but here are some of the websites that it checked it against. It said it only had things like 5% or 12 similar words, 9 similar words, 13, 14. I can't imagine with these particular sources that it would necessarily be cut and paste, but it is definitely odd, all the spelling errors that he's got, or the student has throughout their research here, their news report. Anyway, if you have questions, or I'm going to see what I can do with launch this report and send it to you, and then you can go from there. If you ever want to have a conversation about extension apps, that would be awesome too.